In this video, I'll discuss the program security settings in user customization. Start by clicking User Customization in the upper right corner. Then go to the left menu and click Function Setup. Then click on the Security tab. This tab contains the main security settings for the program. First, I'll discuss the block function by IP address. This blocks unauthorized IP addresses from logging into the program. To activate, click Use, and then click Add IP, and you can add the list of IP addresses that are allowed to log into the program. Simply click New, and then Add. You can also select Allow Mobile Access to allow mobile phones to access the program. You can also select IP addresses and attach them to particular users, but this is done in the user setup, and you can learn more by watching the user ID setup videos. Next, I'll discuss the Allow Access from Ecount field. This allows Ecount to access the system for assistance purposes only. If you don't want Ecount to have access to your computer and company code, simply click Setup, and then click Do Not Allow, and then click Save when you're done. Next, I'll discuss the Authorized Multi-Login Company. If you have multiple company codes with Ecount and you'd like to be able to simply easily switch between the accounts, you can attach another company code to your main company code. So if you look in the upper left corner, you'll see a series of code. This is the company code. If you'd like to keep that as your main code and then attach a subcode, simply enter the code here, the company code, and then click Save. You will have to authorize which users will be able to switch between the codes. This is not like a default setting for all users. You can learn more by watching the user ID video. Next, I will discuss the temporary access block. This setting blocks all users except master IDs from accessing the program. To activate, click Setup, select Use, and then click Save. Additionally, to deactivate, select Do Not Use, and then click Save. The block access time blocks users from logging in during a particular time, for example, off hours. What you'll do is click Setup and then enter the hours in which you do not want users to log into the program. So if your normal working hours are from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., enter the hours from 6:01 to 8 a.m. or to 8:59 a.m. And then when you're done, click Save. Finally, I'll discuss the password settings. You can create different levels of security for your passwords. You can learn more by clicking the About Password Levels button. But level 1 is the most basic and has the least amount of restrictions on it. Then you can select the intervals in which you will have to change the password. It can either be 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. The Change Next Time allows you to defer changing your password, so if you don't want to do it, you can defer the function if it's allowed. If you do not want people to defer it, simply click Do Not Allow, and then click Save when you're done. Thank you for watching the Security Settings video.